arrowroot, see them there? Arrowroot, see that? Arrowroot. Arrowroot. So them I make porridge and them thing there. Good for you. Nice strong porridge. Red and juicy. See that? Can't get this from France, see it? You know buy a strawberry from France, you never get this out of it. See that? Natural juice. Peach, Jamaican, peach, Jamaica have peach. Original Jamaican and from foreign. I plant this tree from a young sucker.
Pretty.
Let me make a taste the lettuce because see there? Natural. We know natural. Let's taste this.
As fresh as it gets, just pick.
Just naturally grown. See them there? Natural. The size of the strawberry. Then put this on the scale. Show this way over 3 ounces. If you farming, your heart have to clean. If your heart not clean and your hand not clean, don't do farming. I tell you straight.
Do not do farming.
Don't try it. The soil, I give you where you give it back.
Wow.
So this nature, this soil, I reward you for your work what you do. They call this a cherry and they call this a bean. So you can do it 2 ways. If you have your machine, you can pulp it and get this. You get more money for this than for this.
So is that the first surprise?
American apple. Being a Jamaica, sit up on the tree, no laughing. American apple. See that? Real meds. Real fruit. No fake no night.
Wow.
Yeah.
You know, it's actually my first time seeing it in person.
And it beer already, but actually the cold front out for a breeze the other day. Lick off a portion and put up the but the flowers come back here again. See me? See that? Set a beer and a flower at the same time.
Oh wow.
Yeah, man.
Nice.
I see that? A blackberry I set up. I want the bush and feel like I don't know. See that? Blackberry. See that man? They might change. Blackberry. See this one start to change? Yeah man, blackberry.
Oh, so these get that dark
purple.
purple.
Yeah man, black. Black.
Oh
black.
wow.
Yeah, very nice. Dropping in a smoothie. Yeah.
Nice.
Vibes, turn up. Lemongrass. A fever grass are the same thing.
Oh yeah.
Yeah man, when you have pain, blend it up and thing and make a nice juice.
Boy, them are strong, you know.
Yeah,
you can
man.
just smell it, you know. Oh man. Oh, tons of fever grass.
Blue Mountain coffee. Blue Mountain coffee tree.
Mm.
Blue Mountain coffee. Just start flowers back again. Yeah. Young tree them are still. The whole tree down there is over 40-year-old coffee tree.
Over 40 year old?
Over 40-year-old, no joke.
Whoa.
Yeah. So I still have a couple strawberry plants that's all going with itself. Strawberries. Just I bring them back, you know. They kind of shake up the thing, but see the fruit them will come back, yeah. Baby tree them are still, you know. Baby tree, man. Just I shoot about 1 and 2 local fruits. Yeah, when you see them again, normal, you know. I'm going to find a better one for you to eat. Them are not fully ready because I'm still white. If it's edible, that's fully red like this, I'm redder. The redder it get, more bricks in it.
Oh.
Bricks. Yeah, man, the bricks them get loud in it and it's fully red.
Nice.
Yeah.
Nice.
Come on, we have clean up back there. Set back the thing.
True.
Come on, see we have some lettuce up on the ground also too.
Oh yes.
Portion of lettuce. Iceberg.
Oh yes. Oh, leaf.
Organic, you see them? Look at them big lettuce, no joke.
Look on the size of this man.
Massive, I just start full.
So exactly what I was going to ask. When they must start fall over.
Yeah, see them, see this one I just start full, I see them spread out and nice in the ground.
Wow.
We'll look for nutrients in the style. See them.
Wow.
Get humongous, you know.
So this is a organic farm.
Yes, absolutely.
For people who don't know what's organic.
So organic mean they use natural things to come back to combat whatever worms and pesticides attack your plants in the farm. And
Nice.
you use natural thing, not synthetic fertilizer. You use animal waste, chicken, goat, cow, or you use a compost. So you use your grass and them thing that for break down and build back your side. So you mimic nature. Come I say the forest green and pretty. We'll go up there and put fertilizer in the forest. The same leaves them.
True.
Drop back again and feed back the same tree.
Natural.
Yeah, so that's natural. So you mimic nature.
Wow.
So you have a water tree. After me later we reap off a decent 6 and something pound soursop off of that tree.
Oh wow.
It's actually be up on the chunk around so. It's actually be up on the chunk around so me. You stick up somewhere so. Yeah, you stick up somewhere so. I think I stem this way, see that? Like I said, come from big.
Huge soursop.
Yeah man, I'm going to send you show you a picture man. Massive. Massive, no joke. Comfrey also too. Comfrey.
Oh, what's this?
Comfrey. Comfrey.
What is comfrey?
So comfrey is a medicinal.
Me hear the name already, you know.
Yeah man, it's a medicinal herb. That's good for pain and them little thing there. And it's also something that pulls nutrients deep from down in the soil and bring it to the top of the surface for the plants to feed. So this is actually a fertilizer as well. You can put this in the water and it helps your plants to grow and them thing there too. So you put it in the water to soak and water your plants with it. Enhance the growth of the plants.
So that's so it good. It actually good for other plants around.
Yeah,
Oh.
so see we have red raspberry also too.
Oh.
Alright, so we can make a taste this now.
This is red raspberry.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Respect.
Portion of them blow off the tree because of the cold front. Even last night into this morning, all up a wind, very windy. Yeah, man. So you cannot see it there. Straight in your mouth. You need to wash something because it comes straight off the tree, up on the ground. Yeah, man.
So this is red raspberry.
Yeah, man.
Oh wow. Natural.
Natural.
As fresh as it gets.
As
fresh as it gets.
Know to eat. Straight from them farm. So you have a lettuce like this.
Respect.
Now. Lettuce. Look at a nice clean leaf. I cannot do so with this. See it? Clean. Nothing left on it. See it? Very clean. Natural.
Just like that.
Just like that. No salt, no nothing. Natural. Come on. Real nice. But the one thing I know, live food, no refrigeration, have to keep healthy and strong when you eat them kind of food.
True.
Yeah man. So you eat where you grow.
What brought you into farming?
Alright, so actually I grew up on this plot of land. This was a coffee farm. We'll step over there in a moment and I'll show you a coffee tree that is over 40 years old. It's older than me. Yeah. Father used to put pure coffee on this property and bananas. I decided to do something different rather than just doing the natural carrots and cabbage everybody do. This was a strawberry farm. It's going to go back into a strawberry farm very soon. So because I had a little jolt encounter with the water situation and everything, we just put in some lettuce and go and run it, set back the property, and then I'll go back in the strawberries. Full time.
Full time.
Full time. Strawberries. Strawberry and lettuce.
But this was just pure coffee.
Pure coffee and banana. We take down everything and shove them down at the bottom down there. So. And this time we just start planting some broccoli and thing and then, you know, look by look we get into the strawberries and we have lemon as well. Lemons. Come on.
Oh, these are lemon?
Lemons, yeah man.
You know something say a civil orange?
Yeah man, lemon. See them there? Lemon. When I have the knife, I'm going to cut it and show it. Very juicy, see there? Whole part juicy. Like, the rhyme come out.
Whoa, a lot of rhyme.
When you have a coal, you get lemon, ripe lemon. You're good to go with the lemon.
Wow.
Lemon. So you need to take no whole for medication.
One
ripe lemon.
Yo, them are huge though, man.
Yeah, man. Them are small, man.
Them are small?
Sir, when this tree was bearing the other day, it was laden fuller than this. This one tree, we take off over 15 dozen off of this one tree. No joke. Off the one tree, I said, look on the tree, it's small. This is a big tree. Laden. See there? Look on it. It a pollen, see that flowers back again. And it still have a fruit on it. So while it fruit, it a flower at the same time again. So pollinations. Bees them are work on the tree fast.
So this is it's a all around beer?
Yeah,
that's it?
Basically, yeah man, right through there. So you have a Neesberry over there on the tree too. You have Neesberry up there, so Neesberry. But at least I take off one of my Neesberry, but still I go with ourselves here, man.
Let's take off a limb.
Yeah, man, let's take off one big branch down with it, man. But
Oh, wow.
we still give it thanks to the whole tree not come down, you know?
But the tree loaded though.
Same loaded, same.
Oh, wow.
Same. You can see. See there?
This is a?
Chinese banana tree. Chinese, you know, it's Chinese people short.
Mm-hmm.
So they call it Chinese banana. They have a next variety close to this. I forgot what them call it. Just as short as this, the tree them get. The bunch them get real longer than this. But it's not Chinese banana, different variety.
Wow.
So
this is my
good.
first time actually seeing this.
Yeah, man. So this is good for, you can cook it and it can ripe. Most of the time we cook it because it's very soft and nice. You never really get that tough until it reaches up a stage where we have to make it ripe. So once it parts cooking stage, gone into ripe, and it gets a little bit tough.
Chinese banana.
Chinese banana.
Wow.
Nice.
But you're taller than the tree, man. The tree them actually don't.
Yeah, you know, you see it, the leaf them so taller than me, but the tree itself is as big, 6 feet.
Yeah.
So anybody in a town who want to grow one banana where you can stand up and cut your banana, this is the ideal banana for your plant in your backyard at town.
How them have to get the sucker of this?
Yeah, you have to get a sucker of it and you stick it in a nice area where you know you're not going to really disturb it much and you're good to go.
What's the weather like up at this side?
Very cool, you know. Very cool weather. Very cool. Nice, tranquil environment. You don't get too hot. When town is scorch in midday, it's too bad up here.
What
Nice,
about
you know?
the rain? We get a lot of rain up here?
Well, when the drought come, it will come and affect we still. But once you know if you survive through the drought, we'll make it, you know. Yeah, man, 'cause you have to do some rainwater harvesting and everything there sometimes.
True.
Yeah.
True,
So the
true,
rain,
true.
we get rain on a regular basis when the rainy season come.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man, we get rain. If the rain come, you have to just depend upon chucking our water to your farm, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
When you start off, part of it, did you start it off with a lot of capital?
No, you know, actually, we start basically from zero, you know, on a real note, you know. This was like, I tell you, this was basically banana and whatever. And I cut them down and get rid of all of them because I said the coffee thing not going to really work out for me because the coffee not really put too much, you see. Because of the rain, spoil lettuce them. But, you know, give thanks.
Oh, so the water, the
Yeah,
too
man,
much
too much water and the mature plants to spoil them. So we're actually supposed to read up a lettuce from a while now, but because the market kind of got to the lettuce them now,
yeah,
we kind of get that beat now. But we soon rebound and come back again. So rebound and come again. Yeah, man.
Nice.
Yeah,
Tons
sure.
of lettuce.
Eh?
Tons of lettuce
Tons
though.
of lettuce, man. This is clean up the other day, man.
Whoa.
So the weed come up in there, make it mess up some, man. But never get them out.
And because of the water.
Yeah, the water.
Yeah.
I'm sure I cut out her and the water drop on them.
Them grow, the weed them grow fast, not true?
Yeah, man.
Spring
you know,
fast.
They clean. You gotta send me a show you a picture of me cleaned up that there. Clean. But them nice and pretty. And the weed just come back up in there because of the rain. The weed just come back up in
Yeah.
there.
These
Actually,
grow
I try
really
to find
good.
on strawberry over there, so you know. Like tough long time, so tough like almost like a cabbage. See? Tough like a cabbage. See that? Tough.
Oh, so when them overfit, them get well firm.
Yeah, firm.
So that can eat same way?
Yeah, man. You must have a dice stuff, you know, cut it up, you know.
Okay,
Cut
true.
it up, and put it in your salad and things, you know. So no matter how tough it is, the tougher the better sometimes, more you get more weight. Right, perfect. See it, you know? So we have some strawberries up on the ground. Watch them baby, you know. See it? This is strawberry, I don't get nothing much. Look on the strawberry, big surprise. The one that kind of spoil still, but they go on the size of the berry. Yeah, that's why it's spoiled because it touched on the ground. But it's still edible. You can just take out this and you bite out a piece that's how it spoil. So the bad part gone.
Look on
Red and juicy. See that? Can't get this from frying. See it? You know, bite a strawberry from frying, you never get this out of it. See that? Natural juice.
Whoa.
Taste that as strawberry. Taste
Respect.
That. Taste that.
Whoa, look on this. Straight from off of the ground just now.
Yeah, man. Straight off of the tree.
What?
Alright, watch this now. It's a better one.
What?
Look on this. See that? Straight off of the tree. No game. See them there? Big juicy strawberries. No joking. See it? And see what you see there? On the ground. Nothing upon it. Nothing. As you can see, just naturally grown. See them there? Natural. The size of the strawberry. They put this on the scale. Show this way over 3 ounces.
Whoa.
So you can have that one, my brother.
Can I have this?
Yeah, man,
Respect.
you can have that.
Appreciate love this. Whoa. Oh man.
Oh, so one or so? Alright, same strawberry again. See it there in a bush.
Whoa.
In a bush, natural. See it there? Nothing. Bush. See it? I will weed it out of the grass. See there?
But alright, so you mentioned that when them the side that depend actually touch it the ground on the dirt. It can tend for spoil.
Yeah.
But how you control that? How you manage that?
So right now I manage it now, but I have to put some mulch on the ground and make it rest on it. So like
mulching meaning like
maybe
the
some
grass
pine or something like that.
Okay.
To kind of get it off of the moisture. So once it wet, it will end up. Once it gets wet, it will spoil.
True.
Right. So once you keep it dry and nice, you can get some nice big size strawberries, you know?
True.
Good and healthy strawberries, no joke.
Wow.
Yeah,
amazing.
Good strawberries.
Amazing.
Yeah, man. So be up like this today.
What are some of the challenges you have on the farm?
Alright, well, challenges, lack of labour. I mean, basically I work by myself right now. But you know, as a farmer, you can't sit down and say I depend on labour. You have to work for it, you have to do what you have to do.
True.
Because sometimes you call a man for work and he don't show up. I say I come in, I come. You can't sit down and wait for him and you have to do what you have to do. Because when the customer call and say, Mr. Mays, I'm going to need 100 pounds of lettuce next week or tomorrow. And you can't bring the lettuce. I'm going to say a joke and I'm going to find a different supplier. So
True.
you, the farmer, have to come out and push out your work because it's your business.
True.
You know? So you can't sit down and wait for people for work. You have to get out the thing. I only for work, you know, because I alone do all of this. And all of this I'm alone. Plow up this place, yeah. Plant it out. You see the weed them now? That means just because of the rain make you see it. But you can send you a picture it when it clean out and looks nice.
Nice. So what you normally get help with? If you ever get help then? Like weeding and them.
Yeah, man. Planting
also.
Harvesting.
Oh yeah, definitely harvesting.
You go on harvest to go.
True.
You come out every minute you alone and go up and down. I whole part that's what you done for the day.
True.
For the morning you make all on 5 chip you need to start 30 because up and down on the hill rough.
True.
But if you have somebody can start then you can have one bigger something, 2 you can lift up, you can move like 200 pounds and let it fast or so go up the
Nice.
Yeah, man. So, I say all them weed now, I'm going to crush them back down in the ground. We can actually give you one demonstration with this too, you know. Waka, chop this.
You use a waka?
Yeah, man, a brush cutter, FS220. Yeah, man, use it and cut down this. And just use back the tractor out this other machine out this always and plow the land. Till back all this in the soil and you know, it feed back the land. So you don't have to use no herbicide and everything, you just use insecticide. I mean,
okay.
The waka and chop it down and till it back in the land.
Yeah.
And these are some sweet
corn. Oh, sweet corn is.
Sweet corn these. Come on, sweet
Oh, you
corn.
know the difference between it and the regular?
Alright, so when you the tree them, alright, these are some reseed, do some reseeding, right? So I do the reseeding now. I just get some sweet corn from somebody and you know, plant back one grain of seed and it give me this. So you see that the sweet corn seed totally different from the regular corn seed. When you look on the seed, the shape different. Shape is totally different. When them dry, they shrink. The regular corn seed don't shrink.
Oh.
Yeah. So when them dry, like for instance, so when you start shrink, you shrink out that when you say sweet corn, it shrink like this. And then when you plant it, it come back, it push out back the thing and give back a new
so
plant.
this as it is now, this as it is, it can plant back or you have to
It
wait
can
till
plant
it,
back. You can plant back. You kind of make it dry out a little bit still so you get a faster growth.
So you make it stay up on the tree and dry or you pick them on?
The thing to ensure that you get a good mature seed is to make it stay up on the tree till the tree dry down. So therefore you can know you get a good mature seed to plant back.
So all of them nutrients basically dry with that on the tree.
The seeds itself pull up everything out of the plant before it dies. So you pick it off of the tree, maybe you don't know if it's fully mature or not.
True.
So you now get a good yield from the seeds to replant, you know? Yeah,
How long ago you start plant?
so actually, 13 years ago I start. 2012, my daughter just born 2 weeks, I lose my job, I used to drive for a company. And there was a little incident happened, so I speed on the road, which I never go fast. I go like 16 or 50. Supervisor said, boy, I speed. And I really never I talk to my co-worker, them and I watch them, I go 16. But anyway, them say me lazy and them fire me and all that thing. I say, you come home and say, no, I'm not work no more 95. And 2012, I started to take down a place, clear it down. Clear coffee tree and thing. A peach tree, and it's a Jamaican peach tree. This peach tree I planted in 2012 when I just started the farm and it has been fruiting like crazy, you know?
Oh, so this is a peach?
Jamaican peach. I'll step over there and show you the peach here from the tree.
Oh.
Yeah, man, so the fruit, them will come out here. Fruits. Baby fruit, them are already. Baby fruit. Peach, Jamaican, peach, Jamaica have peach. Original Jamaican, not from foreign. Jamaica have this.
Peach. So what color these get? The same peachish, pinkish color?
Pinkish, yeah. Pinkish, brownish looking. Inside get red or purple. Red, yeah, red inside. Red or pink. And then now, so you have a pink belly and a white belly. But I don't have the white belly variety. I just have this one.
Are you plant this?
I plant this tree from
Wow.
a young sucker.
Wow.
Wow. Sucker here, some of me can't find it, but very small. Like it come from way down so. I see it big and tall on me.
How long ago you plant this?
13 years ago.
What?
13 years ago. 13 years.
Wow.
I planted this tree. This
I would
tree
say a
was
lot of
actually-
flowers on it.
Lot of flowers. See flowers,
Lot
it's
of
water fruit
flowers.
over so it's the same. The fruits here, whole
Tons
lot
of fruits.
Yeah, man.
Tons of fruits on it.
See that?
And
Crazy,
these are
crazy.
sweet, huh?
Yeah man, very nice. You can make a stew with it too. So if them green and you just put in the pot a little water with a little sugar, boil it. And then if you want a speed stew, you just take it out of one jar after it cool in the pot. You pour it in a little jar, you can go there anytime with a spoon or a fork and take up a piece and eat it. So it's
Nice.
actually a preserve it. So when you have excess peach, you can stew it and put it down for your thing. So that would be like a little snack, you know, healthy snack.
True.
Yeah, you have that eat anytime.
Stew that and put that down.
Yeah man. just have to put
Amazing.
it down.
Amazing
Anytime
info
you
right there for who never know about peach.
Yeah man, yeah man.
Yeah, man.
Machine, yeah. So it's a little killer we use most time, man. Run the place. No joke.
So you use this for
Till the land.
till the land.
Yeah, so-
Oh yeah.
You know, you put out the carrot or even them same lettuce, huh?
Mm.
Yeah, man. and manpower do this so fast, so go and come back.
Wow.
So you have the tools and equipment on the farm, you can get your work done easy.
True.
So you need a whole heap of manpower and have equipment.
Amazing.
Yeah, for short time.
Amazing.
For the day, we can take the day and chop up the whole of this guy back we run so.
So this is what you do just now.
Yeah.
What more step? What more step you need to take?
After
Yeah.
this now, you have people pass, till up a little bit more, and then you can plant.
Then you can plant.
Yeah.
Just plant.
Just plant.
So that's it.
But normally, you gotta wait a few days and allow some more weeds to come back up in like when they chop this now. Normally you have some small weeds coming back. So you wait a few days and you till it back again.
Yeah.
And then you can just plant. And as you plant, the plants themselves will start to just spread out and suppress the weeds in the bed. So if you look over here, so like that. So like for instance, look at this lettuce. You see it's suppressing the weed by itself naturally, pushing down the grass, and the grass can't really come out that big because it's underneath it. See it?
Oh.
So you see that? It suppresses it. So you see how this big this is? So if you have one next one closer to this, like right here, coming out like this, all this video will be gone. Because the lettuce actually push it down and say, don't come up any further.
So all of your plant actually start doing that work by themselves.
The weeds itself. Right, naturally. So you have to know if you plant, just space your plants them so they can get a suppression. So you don't have to really use a herbicide to try to control the weed like that. You just come through with the thing and just kill any little small weeds between and you're good to go.
Wow.
Yeah, man.
Look at this strawberry right here in the hills. Fresh as it gets. Sweet. Oh man. Where exactly are we, Father Fitz?
We're in Content Gap, St Andrew, you know?
So Content Gap.
Yeah, man. Content.
Up in a St Andrew.
Yeah, man.
Oh, wow. Were you born in this area?
Yeah, man. Born and grew up in the area, you know?
Exact. Right, so over there right now?
Not on our property over there right now, but down the road. Born Mavis Bank, and then I come back to come live.
I always hear that name there.
Yeah.
Mavis Bank.
Yeah, man, Mavis Bank.
So I write in this area Mavis Bank there.
Yeah, man.
So Garden Town this, right?
No, man, Garden Town is further down the road.
Garden Town is further down.
When we went up the valley, I made a show you down in the valley. That little area down there, so. When they come at the police station, that is Garden Town. So we're outside of Garden Town. We are above Garden Town.
Oh, so we okay. So we're on top of Garden Town right now?
Above Garden Town, yeah. We up above Garden Town. I'm trying to find the name of it, but it's an edible flower, very edible. I'm putting a salad and all them something all the time. I don't remember its name, but edible, no joke. It actually tastes like, it have a peppery taste like, I can't express it.
So you eat the stem and everything, or just the flower?
Just the flower itself.
Just the flower itself.
Yeah, it have a little peppery taste to it.
Oh yeah, we're going to try this. I don't know yard life. Definitely going to try this.
Yeah, man.
We don't know the name of this. Father Fitz, I try to find the name, but drop it in the comment section if you guys know this also. So let's try this. So we're going to eat the flower, not the stem.
Nestuism.
Nestuism?
Yeah.
Ooh, you spicy, man.
Yeah, man. Tell us exactly. Nestuism. Yeah.
But you don't get that spice until you basically like finish through.
Yeah, I like to tag right there. So imagine now you have your, alright, so we're going to drop on lettuce salad now. So let lettuce in our bread with your cheese, and you have this in a couple pieces to get a little spice, so it is like a little flavor of a little spice to get a little twist.
Oh yeah.
You're going to try it today. We're going to drop up on them. We never tried it in lettuce, but we're going to try it today. We're going to make a nice lettuce salad, see?
Wow.
Night Jew still up on the thing them, see me. Look on them lettuce. See it? Look on them. Night Jew still up on them, see me. Rain over there fall this morning, it's a Night Jew. Night Jew. Fresh. When they drop in the street and people see them, they say they come off a fridge, but on the fridge, I say climate cool and nice, keep them healthy. Yeah.
So all these water that you're seeing right here, it's just strictly Night Dew. All of these are just fresh Night Dew, because it's still pretty early in the morning. And look how fresh them look, man. Pure water. These are just natural Night Dew. How them look pretty.
Clean, yeah,
wow. Clean.
healthy and strong, yeah.
Oh, yes.
And this thing too, I call it Spanish nigga. Edible too, you know.
Spanish needle.
Yeah. But the trick out it now,
Mm-hmm.
them say rabbit food. But watch this now. It's
I
very
eat that smell, sir. I eat that just smell, sir.
I believe so.
It have a strong. Yeah, man.
man.
I'd say, man.
So you can actually
It's
cook
strong,
this
man.
like you can actually cook this like a callaloo. But you have to catch it before it's seed. Catch it small. Yeah? So them stage here, like when you tender down and so, or a little bit bigger than this, you cut it up and eat it. Remember rabbit eat it and they know, so you can eat it to see me too.
Yes, a rabbit eat it and not none of them.
Yeah, so healthy.
Oh, but yeah, I have to catch it before it starts seed.
Before it starts seed.
Mm.
Because the potency come out of it before it starts seed. When it
Okay.
starts to seed. So if you have back pain and them thing there too, this good for the back pain too. Boil it and drink it like tea.
Mm.
Yeah, for your pain. So if you have pain in your body, yeah, this is a pain reliever too. Natural.
A Spanish nigga.
Spanish nigga.
Spanish
Yeah
nigga.
man, Spanish nigga. And see this easy for catching now. So if you have a place and you see it on the road, you kind of speak off on this as a whole heap of seed this and get a whole heap of plant.
Oh, so this is this. Oh.
So when you go up on the farm and then catch for your clothes, it travel. Stick on for your clothes. So see there? Look for instance, see there? So two each on my pants there. So I saw them travel around the place and you move them around your farm. And whenever you go, so if you take up two of this and drop it, them actually grow.
Them just
and you
catch.
and you get a big plant. So when you make a big plant and the seed out, millions of seed.
Mm.
Millions of plants are come up of the ground. No joke. Millions.
True.
Can't say 100 because whole heap of seed, one of them something I never count to tell them what seed.
Millions.
Millions of
Yeah,
seed.
man. What are some of the main crops where you plant? Some of your main
Right,
crops.
so my main crop of strawberry.
Oh, that's a main.
Main crop of strawberry. I have in abundance now, but I'll get back there.
Mm.
Main crop, strawberry, broccoli, yeah, and I do the lettuce now.
Mm.
So strawberry, broccoli, lettuce. I do other things, so I do kale and them thing there. Carrots and ready to cabbage. You can show a cabbage up there, so the cabbage over 3-year-old.
The cabbage is over 3 years.
Over 3-year-old growing back. Not destroyed, growing back.
Oh yeah, we're gonna take a look on that.
cabbage.
But while we are head up there, so it says strawberry. That's your main crop.
my
But
main.
why? Why strawberry?
It's a very niche. It's a niche product where government just have the import in the country. Then you actually see the cabbage here. Them cabbage here, all natural. See them? Tough. No spray. See the worm no take up the leaf here. So look more find this, you put some pepper on it and go try to worm them. But them cabbage here, we show the rooting system. See there? Cut and spring back. See there? Cut. Look on this. Very old. Cut, spring back, bear, take off, spring back again. More plants over here again. Same thing over here. So see them here?
So them do this all by themselves?
All by themselves. No, see there? One cabbage. See there? No joke. This is one root. See there? This is one root. See the root there, so look on it. So much cabbage in one root. It's a one plant doing all of this by itself. One plant. One plant this.
So
doing
hold on.
this.
So this is how cabbage normally
Yes, if you cut it and leave it, it will actually spring back and give you all of this. So when you plant one cabbage and left it and not trouble it, you get big back them there. Whole heap of fruit. See there? See the rooting system there? It's a one cabbage plant. See more suckers in there so them can move and plant. I'm going to show you one of them where we do an experiment pan. Take out them little one here and plant them out. And you get back new cabbage again. No joke.
Oh wow.
Yeah man. So this cut a cabbage off of this right. This try the tractor or something. But see there? Whole heap of cabbage. One root.
Wow.
Yeah. Real experiment are going on.
So
Big.
yeah,
Man, solid, see there? Tough like a rock. Ready for cut right now.
Wow.
Yeah, no joke.
Wow.
Yeah, man. So,
But you say strawberry is a main. And why you say you choose that as
right, so when
that's
we just start out, there's still a market for strawberries in the market in Jamaica. The hotels them require strawberries a lot.
the hotels.
Yes, and then when Valentine's Day come, the people them asking to buy strawberry. But I know probably want strawberry with cream and everything because that's such an exotic fruit in the grow Jamaica. You know?
Okay.
Present like all a dish of strawberries to a girl, you know, so you're going over easy.
True.
Yes, because like I want exotic fruit and really common. So if you had grow something really common, you know, you can get market pretty easy.
Easily.
Yeah.
True.
Like lettuce, you know.
True.
Lettuce not like a stone dog now. Cheap. Strawberry never got a cheap, so I $100 pound. Never.
How much is strawberry now? Currently.
3,000 a pound.
With strawberry?
Yeah, one
I
pound.
saw strawberry did. And that wait, is that the
So
is that a low price for strawberry or
Yeah, but I'm saying for me, I sell it for that. Why? Because my thing them natural. You
True.
get real product. You not get no camouflage thing.
True.
So natural thing, organic farming take more time and energy, so you have to pay for the thing. So let's see cabbage I will show you now. So this is one of the one I take off down, so I just show you up on the ground. See it big, big and nice. Plant it small and this and start to jump up now. See there? Cabbage at Ghana Road. So you can actually start a little backyard garden with one trees and cabbage sucker. And just keep it healthy and strong.
Nice. Wow.
Cabbage right through the year.
Wow. Right through.
Right through the year cabbage
Wow.
go. Right now really want to hold it for attention. When
True.
you water it and keep it healthy, you're good to go.
Speaking about water though,
Yeah.
have you ever had any drought issues?
Yeah man, what you talk about man? Last year the rough man.
Last year?
Yeah man, there's crack up man, no rain. There's crack up. Like
What?
He's off of the planting because me look at Chuck can't bring the amount of water for run the farm. So the
Mm.
rain just come back over the hills just now. See the rain come from over the side that come from Portland and come to we. So once the weather get white, the rain go blow come over. Because the desert start yesterday come round.
True.
So me tell about the 40-year-old coffee tree. See that?
Oh, this is the.
See, it's how tall it's get. This is over 10 feet.
Whoa.
It's a typical coffee tree.
What?
Typical.
Typical coffee.
Yeah, typical. These are the original coffee. If
Mm.
you want to get a good cup of coffee, typical coffee are the general for that.
Oh wow.
This now them call it the special. These seeds are bigger. Bigger seeds. See this have been tree. Bigger seeds.
Normally me see coffee are just one seed in a each
Yeah,
thing
man,
there.
depends
So these
on how
actually
it look
actually
man.
come with.
Tree. See this have been two. See there? These are the coffee beans. So you take this. So you take the cherry to the. You take this to the factory. You take this to the factory. This is then call this a cherry, and then call this a bean. So you can do it two way. If you have the machine, you can pulp it and get this. You get more money for this than for this.
Oh.
So they have to process this, soak it in the water and pulp it out. If you get this, go get them with pulp already. This is more expensive. But it take time.
That
So
take a lot of
when
time.
them pulp this now, when them put it out on the barbecue out in the sun for dry. And when it dry now, them take off a outer layer. So this has a layer over the bean. So this is actually a skin over the bean itself.
Oh.
It's a protective layer over the bean. So they have to remove this to get to the seed.
Oh wow.
So when they remove this now, them roast it.
So it's a 3-step process.
Yeah.
So
So
basically
pulp-
out of this red skin
So
right
out of
here.
the cherry, you get this, you get
out
the
of
bean.
the cherry.
When them do this now, dry, you have to dry it on the barbecue. When it dry, you ox it out again, then you roast it.
Oh wow.
And then in the process of pulp, of taking off this, sometimes you get damage. So at the factory, them are people pick out the bad ones them. So you if somebody can find and want the old beans to buy now, they have to give them all beans perfect. So you have to pick it out. So they have pickers at the factory, where them pick out the good one and the bad one, separate them.
So the old beans them can use same?
Yeah man,
use
you want the old beans them for put in the bags. So like people come to Jamaica and they want coffee for travel back with. And they want the old bean, no damage beans. So you get a full bean like this, no damage. And the damage one them now, them use them now and crush them on there. If you get the, so you got to do the tea bags, and you got to do the crush beans, them use the damage one for that. And the old one them put in the bag. You get an old bean in the bag, fully complete bean.
Wow.
Right.
Wow.
Yeah man.
Nice.
So this out there, you know?
What the most satisfying part of your job?
You see them stage now, when
Yeah.
I see me crop them come out to them, yeah. When
Yeah.
me a struggle, and I plant them out and I see them like collapse, so I don't have enough water.
Yeah.
And I can come now and I say, all them big lettuce, yeah, firm and strong, I can put on somebody's table, healthy, to the weed them there like that.
Oh yeah.
So, this is pretty what there. So, when I can put this on somebody's table,
Yeah.
and you many of them get
Wow.
a taste
So,
off
so,
of the lettuce.
so harvesting basically.
Yeah,
When you
man,
see a
the-
crop them ready and pretty.
Alright, let me make a taste the lettuce, because, see there, natural, you know, natural. Just taste this, fresh and nice, no
Respect. Respect.
joke. Yeah, man. Just pull it and take a bite. Taste that.
Fresh
Fresh off of the
fresh as it gets.
farm. Yeah man, straight off of
The
the
father Fitzroy is a no joke. As fresh as it gets, just pick. Yo.
Yeah man, fresh. No joke. I have to keep healthy when I eat this material.
The amount of water in this.
Yeah.
Like juicy.
Yeah. That you want in your system.
Fresh.
I go in your bloodstream now and keep your taste up.
Whoa.
Yeah man. Muscle. Strong.
Oh man.
Yeah man. When you eat that man, you're good to go. No joke.
Oh man.
Yeah man. Yeah man. Yeah.
Crazy.
Yeah.
Branding though. Me see a few pictures I thing there.
Yeah.
How did you come up with that idea? The whole branding thing with
You know,
the logo and all
that.
that.
Kind of helped me with the logo one time and then me did it and just I got somebody to at a logo company to kind of give me a redesign of the branding. So we did a little design there. Fix it
True.
up nice.
True.
Yeah, so yeah man.
Amazing.
You know, branding is very important for your thing, you know.
True.
Because when them look for your thing, them can say, you're that person that spend time for
True.
work on them thing. Because you come in the farm and say, I hold for work. I see one bed going with them, so we don't have fence. But I said the longest I 100 feet long, you know. So
From your to the fence.
from your to the fence for 160 feet long.
Wow.
So you know, I hold for work to get out this. I have to plant all of this. You know, hold for back bending.
True.
This is one bed alone about 400 plants tonight.
True.
So I hold for work, you know. So you have to take time to get your work done. So the more love you put in on your planting, and the more you feed it, the people them feed it on them table.
True.
So you get the energy. You know, the same thing when the farmer put out there, will get it back.
I love that.
Yeah.
I love
If you
that.
farming, your heart have to clean. If
True.
your heart not clean and your hand not clean, don't do farming, I tell you straight.
Do not the farming.
Don't try it. Your heart have to clean and your hand have to clean. Because the soil will give you where you give it back.
Wow.
So this nature, the soil, I reward you for your work what you do.
Wow.
Yeah. So if you do good, you'll get the good. If you do bad, that you'll get.
Wow.
Yeah, man. Real talk.
Wow.
Real talk.
Wow.
Over here, so we have a couple of bees too. Can't go in our box them today, no. See
Hold on.
the April them over here, so.
Bees?
Yeah, man. Bees important for a farm, man. See that? See my work there, so. Them kind of want to clean up now still, but we soon get to them. Yeah, man. So see them come in and come out there.
Nice.
Yeah, man. Workers them in and out. We have honey in our box now, you know, but to the weather now we can't touch them. And at the cold time, then feed back off of them honey. So you have to touch them in the warm season.
There's just one box?
No, man, several boxes, you know. So we have more boxes on over there, so. But like I said, them want
Oh,
clean
I just want to see them.
yeah, and we have some more down at the bottom too as well. But them need to clean out, you know. Until you get busy. Some little contract come up, you have to do a little contract them and thing.
True.
So the time kind of get little tied up more time. But you know, bunch of bananas to them call one of the what is that? Them is a art. It's a art. Them kind of create the banana. Yeah.
Oh, see?
Create the banana for cooking.
It ripe too?
Yeah, but when it ripe, it don't taste good.
I have to see them?
No,
And
I
I
want to
have
have the
seed.
seed. Them have a next one, but they still have the seed. But I want to cooking. As big as they want to get, you put them in the pot. 5 minutes time, then cook.
What?
Soft. No joke.
Wow.
Yeah, man.
The last system of pass over. How that did affect you? Affect the farm.
Man, mash up my farm, man. I bet them show down unless I have that in my nursery. Straight a lettuce. Lettuce nursery from this, I go down unless everything mash up. Yeah, man, so the water wipe out everything entirely.
Because when you get a lot of water up
Yeah, man,
this side.
rain. All before this time come, you get rain, man. Whole heap of rain.
Wow.
Whole heap of rain. I mash up the thing. So, yeah, man, they affect my body, man. I have to basically start from scratch, man. Everything wipe out. Nobody have to sell.
Farmers worst nightmare,
yeah,
man.
Nightmare, man. Hurricane, man.
Wow.
But, you know, nature, you can't fight nature. You can't curse the Almighty. So, Father, what is? No, that's nature. You have to just restart, you know.
True.
Every business have a top and down. Good season, bad season. So hurricane, farmers worst bad season. Because greenhouse get mashed up. Imagine the open field. Flood out. Enough man give up after Melissa said they don't need farming.
Yo, true, you know.
Yeah, man, I tell you.
As it was a very dangerous.
Look how down so down Williamsfield, Manchester. It
was a
was covered under water.
very
so imagine having your
dangerous
farm
system.
under water for weeks.
True.
We have to plant. You can't plant out in water. We have a fish alone you can put in water to grow.
True.
Yeah, so that's just like that.
Wow.
Yeah, man, I still have some nice skill and they come back to. Alright, so these tomatoes you put in your salad, yeah? Them not come on bigger than that. Them call them cherry tomatoes.
It's the same one as plummy?
No, plummy different.
Oh, plummy.
Plummy a little bit bigger.
Oh, plummy. Okay.
Yeah, man,
These
plummy
are
bigger.
cherry.
Cherry.
Oh.
As you know, cherry, when you say cherry, you know cherry.
Cherry small.
Right, so
yeah,
that
yeah.
plummy come bigger, plummy come about this size. Yeah, so plummy you can dice them, you can't dice them because they're very small. You just bite them. Put them in your salad, the lettuce and your tomato and whatnot. And you just eat a salad bowl with them in it. So them have red, them have yellow, and them have purple. Just have the red one
This
right
is just the red one.
Yes, the red one.
Nice.
Yeah, man.
And I have scallion over here too.
Scallion, man. Nice.
Scallion there. Oh man. Amazing vibes upon the farm, yeah.
So you have a little time I come back to see me. Real Jamaican time, you know?
Oh.
Time. I try to get it back. Get back up. So them green and pretty. Man, best time when I come from up in St Andrew Hills. Best time, St Andrew time.
For true?
Well, yes, man. You never know that.
What?
The temperature up here is unique. Because of the temperature, it brings out the flavor. Why the best coffee grow up in St Andrew? The temperature.
True.
So it produce that quality there.
True.
Like a controlled environment, like almost a greenhouse effect.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you get a nice flavor there from your thing then.
And that temperature we are talking about is not too hot.
Not too hot.
Not too cold.
No, perfect.
Whoa.
Perfect.
Whoa.
Sometimes it get a little bit cold, like the cold front of pass there. You can feel the chilling of the system, but you know always still like that. Even in the summer, the time still kind of balance, same here.
Oh yeah.
You know get over hot like me say the Tony and burn up on the upper pass. You can feel the difference in the temperature. Because you come from Garden Town, if you come up and watch your monitor on your car.
Yeah.
When you reach a Garden Town, you see temperature drop. And as you keep on coming up, you see temperature start go down. Because you climb.
True.
But when you go down, when you start go back down, the temperature go up.
Yeah.
Definitely
start getting more.
Yeah, man, not gonna burn you up, man. So as you come, the more higher you go up, the cooler it
The
gets.
cooler it get.
Yeah.
True.
Yeah, man.
That's a vibe.
Yeah, man.
Let's have one papa tree.
Yeah, man. You know, so I have one chart. I think on the agricultural papa, them look on them. So I just chop the seed another pan if you can just make it go and do the thing, so we can get back some more tight.
Nice.
And then over, so we have cane over that side there. Yeah,
Cane?
Yeah.
More lemon.
Yeah, man. Some of the parrot them running from the lemon tree.
Oh, the parrot them eat lemon?
Yeah, man. Them want the seed and the juice, man. But the lemon and one thing until the powerful, man. So the parrot them running from it and bite up the thing and eat out the seed them and the juice, you know? Bite it from top. When they bite it from top, they get that juice out there, so that keep them
True.
healthy.
True.
Yeah, man. We had a massive tree over there, so but it blow down.
So this is pimento right there.
Pimento, yeah.
Oh yeah.
You know, the leaf, you know, your chicken in your meat when you add your thing.
Oh yeah. Can't go wrong.
Real nice. Can't go wrong.
That's one of the tree where man, the leaf,
Yeah, man,
the seed itself,
Yeah,
powerful.
Even the tree itself, the stick itself, if you pick something and you jerk something and put the stick in it.
The stick that's the branch itself.
Yeah, the flavor.
Whoa. Whoa.
Yeah, man.
Amazing.
Yeah, that's it.
Oh yeah. You plant a lot of thing there also, like banana and planting and them there?
No, not really, not really.
True.
Space in banana plant. Right now, see me take down some of the banana here, so we kind of expand the farm come that way, yeah. So we can have more yield from certain things to get more money. You say yes, about lemon them big. Look on the lemon right now. Look on this lemon. This
Blow, whoa.
thing the hurricane before. What a hurricane ever passed before Melissa the other day?
Beryl. So Beryl blow down that tree, yeah?
I'm gonna make it stay right at the spot there and lean over. So she a bear.
And it's still a beer.
Still a bear.
Can't see all the root out.
Yeah, man,
Root.
Because the breeze come from down the valley there and shoot down the tree that we have here, you know. So I'm just make it dress bank see. See it there? Lemon.
Wow.
As you can see, it's a different variety of lemon. I'm one more rough and tougher. Different variety of lemons you have. Yeah, different varieties.
So those good way I look on right now?
All of them healthy and strong. Look on them, I sit down on the tree. And one of them probably spoiled. Like this alone spoiled. See there? It's the only bad one. See there? This spoiled. But what this can do now, you put this back at ground and you get back the seed them out of it for grow. I get back the seeds them for grow. See the seed them in there? You drop it at ground. And when you put it like so, and we drop it right there so, that can still the and give me back a whole heap of sucker from that. Because the seed them go drop at ground and just pop up back new suckers.
Are you a first generation farmer?
My grandfather on my mother's side was a farmer. But he was a cattle farmer. He used to raise cows. But me really like the cow thing. Because I know people do cow.
Yeah.
So me go vegetables. Because I see people go for vegetable. So me go vegetable route.
True.
You know? My father used to do animals too. He used to grow a turkey. The same turkey we then grow a farm.
Oh, real?
Yeah, man. Turkey.
Father usually raise them there?
Grew a turkey already. Turkey weigh about 60 pounds.
A turkey?
Turkey. Big something, some big bird.
Oh,
Big
tell me
bird.
that.
No joke.
What?
No joke. Big turkey.
As it, hold on. Let me get this correct. Right up here.
Right, that's a Jamaica, me not joke. Turkey. Turkey bird where them grow a foreign. Grow a Jamaica.
So the turkey neck we eat a real thing then?
A real
Ah,
thing.
for the turkey itself?
Then after the turkey, I say turkey neck long, you know, I say turkey have a long neck out, so you know, brother. So you chop that in a whole meat up on the neck there, you know.
Whoa.
Turkey neck a real something, man.
Whoa.
It's a bird.
Whoa.
One neck like a bird, so you know. He can't fly now because he's heavy. But
Wow.
he can run a little way still.
True.
Yeah,
True.
he's too heavy for fly.
Amazing.
Yeah, man. Too heavy
I
for
see tons of stuff on the farm. I see all chocho there. Some fat chochos. All under the lemon tree chocho there. Chocho there everywhere. Chocho grow up on banana tree
See, that
chocho.
man and climb anyway. See
Whoa.
that? It's a grow back. This can actually put on a growing right now, get a new chocho vine. See, so push out the vine there.
Yeah.
New chocho.
But you can't eat same way while it grow or it's
yes,
not
it can,
ideal.
because you take out the middle and you get to see this a little bit more. It'll get a little bit more tougher now.
Tougher.
And you probably don't get the flavour that was out when it is young.
Oh wow.
It can still eat. You know?
Chocho, yeah.
Yeah, man.
Chocho there everywhere. Look at.
Yeah, man.
Cho- That's a vibe.
Yeah.
That's a vibe. What me that ask you still in about me think me know the answer already. Like for most of the stuff them where you plant, me that ask you what's the best way to enjoy them. But me still say a natural thing, a fresh
thing.
just pick and eat.
Yeah, pick and eat, man.
Yo.
That's the best way.
Yo.
You have to do nothing to it. Just pick it.
Nothing.
If anything upon it, like little dirt or
Yeah.
little thing, you just
Wash
wash
off
it
that.
off, gone.
Ghana Road.
No, nothing more than that for this.
Ghana Road.
You know, have to try and see a cook long nothing.
Yeah.
But if you have broccoli, when you have broccoli raw too, you pick off a little thing, they might eat it raw, same way.
Same way.
No, cook the nothing, have to go on.
Yo.
Yeah, man.
Amazing. And we look over the wall.
Yeah.
Oh, what is what I look upon right now?
I see him content, you know. I see
Content is.
But it's on a different part. Over there, call over there, New Road. And another kind them call it Content Gully. So it's a gully round, so a big space around there. We have a couple of shops. So it's a Content is a shop. And a little shop beside it. So them have a little shop where them sell juices and liquors and everything there in there.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. So,
Wow.
you have a primary school up there, sir. Content, you have primary school.
Oh, that we look upon
yeah,
the hilltop there.
blue building, the primary school. And down at the bottom is the Methodist Church.
Oh,
Yeah,
wow.
man.
So that's the primary school we look upon right there. Right which one I'm pointing.
Yeah, man.
And all of the hills, all of them hills are where I look upon.
Yeah, man. Different.
There's
a resource and As the Light and Top Mountain and yeah, man. Davis Hill.
Amazing.
Over there, sir.
Amazing view.
Nice.
Just from off of the farm.
Oh, crazy. Make all guava tree down there so empty. Use the guava and make guava jam for the youth them to know if you make guava jam.
Oh yeah.
So you just cut up the guava, boil it in the water and cook it down to a time. And then you just strain off that extra thing. And then you just put your sugar in it and cook it down with a little ginger and thing.
Guava
nice
jam.
Guava jam.
Just like that.
You don't have to go to the shop go say you go buy jam. Even the strawberry them can make jam to see me.
In the hills, yeah.
That's
crazy. Oh yeah. Cane.
Yeah.
Oh. And them are sweet, not true? Crotch shoot.
Ask what you say.
Crotch shoot.
That's like a lady skin.
Eh?
Lady skin.
The joints them small though.
Yeah, man, now watch the giant.
Yeah, these joints.
Alright, so the cane with a kind of run down it there for your time.
Mm-hmm.
So when you plant a cane, after a time it run down, you have to move it and put it somewhere else because it pick up all the nutrients. It's like it pull like, no matter cane is like a bamboo, you know. So bamboo pull nutrients hard, so this pull nutrients hard.
Oh, makes sense for real.
So when you plant for the first time, you're gonna get a good deal for the past for about a year or so. After that, you have to move it and put it somewhere else.
I never know.
Yes, man, I tell you.
True.
Just remember me to tell you. Yeah. So anyway, you plant a cane root now. It's going to there for your time, and as soon as it starts to go down, I look on that cane over there. So look how fat this was. Look how fat this was. So how fat that was. So how fat that cane was. Bigger than this. This cane what was here. It was like this big. See it? Yeah, so it's like this so a new sucker come up there now. So basically you have to move out. Yeah, move it out. Like this one you can take off and put somewhere and plant. So this is a sucker coming up. This is a sucker here. Take off this and put it somewhere so you get a new cane root.
Fresh.
Yeah, man.
Just like that.
I'm going to show you something. I need all the knife.
Whoa. You know, whenever I'm not inside of the kitchen with dip on the farm, because this is yard life. This is yard life and anything what to do with the yard, I'm going to find me there. And we're there, we're up in the hills, up in a content gap with the great Father Fitz. Yeah, man. Definitely check out Fitzroy Organic Farm. Look here, I go down more in that cane. Natural way I do it. Yeah. No machine. It's natural way.
Alright, yeah. So now look at boy, I'm going to go road and I want cane. I broke the cane. Alright, so see that?
Yeah, you hear the sound of that?
Alright, pop.
Wow.
So look. You could just wipe off any extra thing upon this. Farmer, so we do it for the clothes. We wipe off everything for the clothes. You know, I get wipe it too much work for the still, you know. Yeah? Natural.
Wow. Amazing. Just like that.
Well, try that. Super sweet. Soft.
Wow.
Yeah, man. Lady skin. All the giant you can eat.
Lady skin. Yo, as natural as it gets. Yo! The scratch throat. Want to take a look on this. If you look closer, you can see that there's a joint right here. And we can bet say even the joint itself well soft. We'll go and try it again. Super soft. Yo, this is super sweet.
Yeah, man. Tell you. And then my baby cane. Then I reach out yet. Baby cane. Look, see there? Baby cane. Baby. Baby cane. I reach a maturity stage. Baby. Baby cane. Yeah, man.
Yo.
Bigger than this. See that? You find it? Baby. So if the baby them sweet, so imagine when they reach adult stage, they're going to stay.
And this is the same breed, right?
Same breed of cane. Wow. One weight. Yeah, man.
Wow.
Sweet.
Wow. Just like that.
Fear banana. Fear. Very soft. Cook in a 5 minutes time.
Fear.
Fear. If you cook it, you can't cook if you don't have the food. You put it in a pot by itself.
Take a mash out.
Take a mash out.
Oh.
Yeah, very soft. I want to get bigger than that. Still soft, same as big as the cane. Them finger them get as fat as the cane. And it's still soft.
Fear banana.
Fear banana. Blackberry flower.
That's a vibe right here up in the hills. Hope you guys appreciate of them vibe. And man, some crazy views. The views up here is just
Special cane.
oh crazy. Oh, him not done it. But I say I can show you a special cane. I can go see what I go on. Yeah man. Oh, jackfruit them yeah.
Right, you want that shot?
So I go up further. Alright.
Baby leg.
Call these?
Baby leg.
Baby lead?
Baby leg.
Leg.
Leg. Yeah, baby leg. Very good.
Wow. Baby leg.
Baby leg. Massive cane.
Amazing. Yo, them are fat though man.
Yeah, man.
Yo, them are fat. Yeah man.
It's the small cane, it's a baby one.
That's small compared to the right.
Look at this. Let me can't sponge it. See there? Finger can't. See there? Finger can't lock. See there? And the cat. See there? Finger can't lock. See? Can't touch.
Whoa! Yo! So this is actually a real baby to that over there. So them grow big man.
Massive.
Them grow really massive for you man. And you the name of them get to now?
Baby leg. Baby leg fat.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Crazy vibes. Yeah man. Hope you guys appreciate of the journey. Up in the hills, yeah. Up in the content. Yep. Like you see what going on here, just
Alright, so for this now, you know about the arrowroot.
oh this is
Arrowroot.
arrowroot.
So this makes me make porridge. So that one actually dry down already, right? So I got man, damage it. You have a fork. See them there? Arrowroot. Let me show you the things like see there? Arrowroot, see them there? Arrowroot, see that? Arrowroot. Arrowroot. So then I make porridge and them thing there. Good for you. Nice strong porridge. Yeah? Hold it more night. Cause I hear it no dig. Hears it no dig. See that one I rat two note. Basically rat should harvest long time. Yeah. But you have to replant them and get more out of it.
You plant but that root.
Yeah, see there? See that shoot back out new thing. So this will give you a new plant again and thing and give you fresh thing. So you put this down, go on again.
That's spread out. It's spread out a
Yeah,
lot. Oh.
like ginger family. Yeah.
Oh.
So you plant this one piece at a time, you turn this big root like this. So this should dig up a good while now, but some of the app, I say me I watch it and I make it go and reproduce back itself. Yeah man, so see it there? See it there again? Go on again. See it there? Give back new springs again. Yeah man, so arrowroot, you know? Come from a ginger family, but it's not spicy. It's something that you can blend up and make porridge. Yeah.
Yeah man, so all who don't know how arrowroot look,
Yeah,
this is
see
it
that?
right here.
Arrowroot that.
That is arrowroot.
Yeah.
Yes man. These are beans, are you?
Banana bean, see there? See the bean also? Banana bean. Good to make stew. Get a nice stew from it. That one actually a dry out. Material, see the peas in there? Banana bean. So this kind of still semi-green. Just that to see tender same, nice in a stew.
Oh, so eat just like that?
Cook it, you can cook it.
While
Cook
it green also?
Yeah man. While it green you can cook it and get your stew.
Banana bean?
Banana bean. Yeah man, nice and healthy in a soup too.
Nice.
Yeah man, nice soup. So you have some chicken back and you want to make some soup. Yeah man, you drop banana bean in your chicken back soup and you go on the road.
Oh.
Finger licking good, you come back for your 2 serving.
Yeah.
Yeah man, not joke. Serious.
Yes man. Crazy vibes. Up in the hills, the great father Fitz there. I give you a tour. I'm from amazing vibes. Up here. The place is cool, man. I tell a lie, the place cool, nice, and the
This too. Tuna.
the tuna.
Yeah man, good for your back pain. Wash your hair.
Here.
Good for your skin too.
Good for your skin also.
Yeah man.
That's tuna right there.
And the fruit
Some
pan
people that call it cactus.
Yeah, the fruit pan it when it's ripe, you can eat too.
The fruit? It come with that fruit?
See the fruit, yeah man, you see the fruit.
I never know. I think say I just there. Hold on.
See the fruit there? When you turn yellow, you can eat it. You get yellow or red, some of them turn, you can eat it.
As in just pick and eat?
Pick it and eat it like this.
What?
This make a juice too, you know. Yeah, this can make a juice too. But I guess you have to take off this scratchy part outside here.
Okay, that's scratch.
Yeah, it's itchy. So you don't want to make a juice of this itchy, and scratch it through.
Scratch it.
So you peel it and take off the outer skin and you juice it. You get a nice juice, healthy and strong. You think me see this on the internet one time, let me show you the juice of this. It's very good. Very healthy.
Oh,
but you have to right before you can do it. Can't
nice.
do it green.
Catch him back right, sir.
Yeah, man. You want one of them, yeah? Make sure you can eat up one of them today. You can eat up one of them today? Have a tap, yeah?
Yeah.
You'll get one, man. You can't get one in a moment. Don't worry yourself. You shouldn't get one.
So this is the I say that I think this drop out after this, probably this grow to a point, this fall out, and then you know it left to look like this. So you see how this have the hole in it? Yeah man, that's the vibe right here up in the hills, yeah. Olipa, cactus, these things are good for your hair, for your skin. Oh yeah. All of the Jamaican people them know the vibe. Oh yeah, and the trees fat. Yeah man.
Them I can plant too. Them I can plant. So I'm going to show you one trick. When I do this, you can chop off right as so, and chop off a giant here and stick this in the ground. So the root them come out of it already. Actually, if you want to put this in one root, you can put it in one root. But if I mean, I put it in two.
So just
So you could have chopped this here so.
right there, so.
And chop it here so again, and chop it here so. So this is one sucker, this is one sucker. So, but if you want to make it safer for you, you can just chop it off anywhere so, and chop it here so and stick it on the ground, and you get 2 plants that come out of the ground.
Oh, nice.
Because this grow big just like this.
True.
A couple months time, big cane like this.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. Amazing. How the people them find it? Just if them want to reach out to you, just one thing doing now. Hold on. One thing though before we go any further. One thing doing now. It's when it comes to you and phone, you always pick up.
Yeah, man.
No matter how much time I call you.
No man, a business you run, so for run business you have to answer your phone. You don't know what call you. You can get $1 billion call and answer the phone, it miss you.
True.
Yeah, so the number got 391-2489. You can find me on Instagram or Facebook, see me. You know, Fitzroy Organic Farm. Yeah, man, send me a WhatsApp message, man. You can get
nice.
the Airbnb thing sorted out to see me.
Oh, yeah.
You know?
Oh, yeah. Airbnb, like, very close by.
Close by. So if you want to come spend a weekend,
oh, yeah.
get the thing them off of the farm for you to see me. Not too far away, right up the road. Less than 5 minutes you reach up at the place.
True.
Yeah, man.
Amazing.
Natural mistake, you know. But this is your chop now, you stick it in the ground.
Just stick it just like that.
In the ground. So once you take off them leaf right here, so, and put it on the ground, just stick a nice little hole and put it straight up.
Oh yeah.
Like whenever that top part I go for it, so just keep it up, make it go on. So once you remove this, them there now, so you expose these here as here, this can be roots can come out here, just like we're showing over here. So this is going to copy the same thing with this. So these are roots looking for nutrients. Once you put it on the ground, more will come out and it go on the road. So this is going to do the same thing. Roots.
What are the ideal spot for plant these though?
Full sun.
Full sun.
Full sun.
Full sun.
I don't want to shade. Full sun.
What if a lot of stone on them there?
No matter.
No matter.
You just if the stone is there, you try to move a stone and catch it somewhere. Once it gets some soil, you find it way.
And gone.
Gone.
True.
Yeah.
Amazing.
So if you have stone, just move and I rock them out of way, man, and find one spot. It still grow same. This is a compost. See it? Grass and leaves breaking down. When they don't get black gold. Anything this touch, gone on the road. Very healthy and strong.
So these are just leaf and grass?
See the worm them there, break it down. See the worm there? See the worm there? Cut, see break down worm there? Leaf and grass. When you're done, black and pretty. I'm going to show you one fidget project. When you're done, you get this. It's the same thing. When you're done, black gold. See there? Compost. See it? Fully break down.
So hold on. Some ask you something. So all of this way I look on right now is where you show up there, so just now the leaf and
the leaf and everything break down to this. Break down to this. This is compost. Real more powerful than any fertilizer they can get in a bag. See nature over there, so I show it. That forest there. Green and pretty. Nobody no fertilizer. This them feed off a compost. See it? All break down. See that?
Wow.
Ready. Any seed they put in this Ghana road. If it don't grow, the seed no good.
Yeah. It have to be something with the seed.
Yeah, it have to be something with the seed.
If it not grow.
If it not grow, yeah, man, see there. If it not grow, see there. If it not grow, fully powerful, man. Yeah, man. Can't want no better than that, man.
Wow. Wow.
See that? Come on, now, see that? Fully break down. You see, full up, say no. Full up, say no. And just break down.
Break down.
Yeah, man. Fully
So for people, for people who live in areas that full a lot of stone and stuff,
yeah, man,
all them can do are just get the jump.
Get a blue jump or something jump, any jump. One whole tank where bust up on something, or if you can nail up something, a whole fridge, one something, put in one corner where you need to go, and you put the soil in it and the thing, your neighbor cut him grass and them thing, you just straight in there, make it stay there, go and do the thing.
And this is it right here.
This is it right here. Final product after a month, or maybe a year or so, you get this. Fully break down. You don't have to do nothing to it.
Amazing info.
Yeah. You just want to know so the water come out and make it turn into a pool. So once the water can seep out tight, even the water run come out as a compost tea. So you can put a bucket, like for instance in brown after. You have a bucket like this right here, so. You have this bucket right here, so. I catch the water where I come out. So the rainfall come through this. You can water your plants and that's compost tea.
Compost tea.
Compost tea.
Wow.
So you feed it like your tea, drink tea, plants them drink tea too. This is not a hot tea, this is a cool tea.
Oh,
and them pick up all that nutrients fast in them system and them big and healthy and strong.
Wow.
Yeah, man.
Wow. Amazing info right there. Amazing info right there. Yeah, man. So for all of the people who just learned that just now, so for people who live in areas that full a lot of stone and on one plant and them thing, but it places a lot of stone and thing, that's the vibe. That's the vibe.
Use the stone and make a bed.
Yeah.
Or make some way.
Use the stone and create a bed.
Yeah, or a grow box or something. And you put all, if you have stick too, throw all the stick them in there, you make them break them. See me? You can put your soil on top of that same and plant. That's a call a gola bed.
Wow. Amazing. Yeah, man. Lemons to go. Them lemons are huge. And we're getting cane also.
You know, say.
Cane head there. Yo, amazing vibes. Yeah, man.
Lemon plants, you know?
This is lemon.
Lemon
Whoa.
seedling.
Whoa, yeah,
Every
man.
morning, the lemon seedling, if you buy it to them, can get them to see me.
Oh,
I get
whoa.
a 15 bills one plant.
Nice.
Yeah.
Respect.
White one, so the flowers on the tree. Yeah. The fruit
White sapoti.
the white sap.
Mm-hmm.
The fruit them not come no bigger than this. And it have like a yellow inside, like yellow. Or whitish, you know, kind of white when it's ripe. The skin turn yellow, but inside white, and it have a nice little sweetish taste. But like we said, the fruit on the tree now, everything blow off and thing. They have one temperature low, you know.
What are the varieties again? You have black, you say?
Black sapoti.
Black sapoti.
White.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
So
And these are the white. These are the white one.
yeah.
Mm.
So the black one tastes like a chocolate. It look chocolate when the black one green and it turn dark like a chocolate color. Real nice.
Sweet?
Nice. Yeah, man. Nice.
Oh.
Like chocolate, man.
Oh,
Yeah.
nice.
Yeah. I put 2 seeds right there, so, and then just get to gone.
This a big old tree, right, sir?
Yeah, big old tree.
Seed?
Seed. Put them, I couldn't find a nice seed and show you one little seed, so.
What?
The seed no bigger than a stone. The seed is as big as this stone. This size seed. Right there, so see the big tree there. This size seed.
What?
Yeah, big tree. No joke. Yeah, man. Massive tree. I tell you about the mustard seed, man. I say mustard seed feels small and then the tree come big.
Oh, man.
So you have lettuce.
Oh, so these are lettuce.
Cilantro, kale, broccoli, sweet pepper, and the same thing over there again.
Oh,
Yeah, man.
whoa.
Seedlings, you know.
Nice.
Them
So after these reach a certain
transplant
them.
open field and then Ghana leave. Yeah, man.
And them Ghana Road.
Yeah, man. Ghana Road. Man.
Oh, oh, let me know. We're looking at them.
About 4 weeks.
Oh,
Roughly.
4 weeks. Okay,
Yeah.
okay.
I'm kind of delicate now because I have the man in the tree. I'm supposed to actually run an official greenhouse, a shade house business. But through me there just to test out them.
Ease off some of the sun off of them.
Test
Okay.
them out. I'm going to set up an official shade house to them. You know, next set when I'm going to put out.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. When I like drop them in the ground still.
Yeah.
Yeah. My seed is better than the ground. When them in the ground, they're bigger than this within the 4 weeks time.
Oh, so that's how you prefer them.
Yeah, in the ground. When you put the seeds out there and they sprung up in the sun, they're more hard now out there in the open field and in the ponds like these.
Oh.
So these trees tend to dry out real quick. So for like a small person doing a backyard farming, they would do this. It would be easier for me. It would be easier for them. But on a big scale, you prefer you do an open field.
Out there.
Yeah, because sometimes you might get busy and forget for water. You trace them and them dry out and them dead. But in the field, if rain fall, them wet.
True.
The only disadvantage out in the field, if you get too much rain upon them, then we mash up the nursery.
Oh.
But as long as you don't get too much rain, you're good to go. Bigger seedlings can plant out. The advantage with these, when the roots them come up, you kind of pull them up, and you just kind of shake the trees and you pull up the entire soil with it on it, and you put them out there.
Okay.
So
the soil come up.
right,
Oh,
so
it take the shape of that.
Yeah, so you take the shape of that. So if you can check, take us.
Nice.
So now man, you kind of squeeze the tree them. I'm going to show you a little technique when you use sometimes. You might get trouble to come out. You can get a little something like this. Look at a stick or something or one piece of wire. And you just do like this and you just prick it. You take your time because when you fully full out, it's come up like this, see?
Oh.
So this now would have be, you just put this on the ground. So all that go down on the ground. So that's a transplant, that's a thing. But not when it starts ready yet. When it ready, you just see all this take up in the roots. So this roots will take up all that potting mix right there.
Yeah. So that be pure root, yeah. Look.
Right, pure roots, you just pull it up.
Nice.
Yeah.
Just like that.
Just like that. And it's very potent certain way. If you drink it, you can get poisoned by this.
Bellflowers.
Yeah. It's a beautiful plant. Yeah. It has benefits.
Just to showcase. Oh, it have benefits too?
It has benefits too.
Right. Hold on, these are the thing the way you're talking?
Yeah, man. Some of the lumber them from the pine tree. Solid. And they cut down.
Whoa.
The salmon actually peeled down to make the saw go tree because it was too wide.
Whoa.
So we go out there now, we're going to show you the real tree of ground. Massive.
Whoa.
Yeah, man.
And a Melissa blow down nice?
Melissa. Big tree over.
Which other time ever come and blow down one of them? Eh?
No, never.
Yo!
Melissa wicked, man. Melissa bad girl.
these are some of the trees that we're talking about. Evergreen. Tons of evergreen from both sides. You can see them. So one more again coming up. Upon this one, massive. Yeah, man. Let me tell you, the camera literally not doing any justice. Like, this is a huge, and a Melissa tear down the wall of this. This is huge. Yeah, man, camera not do this no justice. This big. Melissa do the damage. Yo. And it long in a man. Yo. This gone way back down. Way back. Yeah, man. And tons of these are up here. Tons of these are up here in the hills. You know? Crazy vibes upon this one down here where I think of that one them cut up and we get whole of lumber from it. Amazing sighting. Yeah, man. And you're up in the hills just so you can see over the whole of Kingston. All over sun and evergreens, talking about the evergreens also. Tons of them. I don't know if are these one. I think them one are the more softer ones, the more delicate ones. I don't think of them one of them put the something that one, the Christmas, the lights on, but you can see them. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, they're not evergreen like that. Smell it. Fresh. Evergreen land. Tons of them. No joke. Tons of them. I mean, the sighting is amazing. What is big, you know, man?
One a massive tree, man.
Cheese and peas.
You see, like them out here. See side of the tree there. Piece of the side that to the boat cut down. Big piece of the side the man and take off on the ground. So. See tree are gone over here, so. See piece there.
Whoa.
See tree drop way down, so. See top of the tree way down, so. See there? Over 50 feet that. See there? So if you have 50 feet there, so. Fire so take off the next 50 feet. 100 foot long now.
100 feet, man.
Yeah, man.
Crazy vibes, man. And tons of evergreen. Evergreen, I call them, no?
Yeah, man, evergreen.
Tons of evergreen. Yeah, them say Christmas chin, but evergreen.
Evergreen.
Yeah, man.
Evergreen.
I know the vibes.
Never change, drop leaf or nothing.
Eh?
Never drop leaf.
Never drop leaf.
No, man, that's why it's called evergreen, because it's always green.
Oh.
Always green.
Yes, man. That's the vibe. These are the cone. Them are the pine, wild pine, them going to sip on the tree. So anytime I see them tree, these are the wild cones, wild pines, I call them, you know.